Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lentil soup Indian style, updated. Begin by rinsing lentils and measuring spices before you heat oil for tempering. Sauté aromatics until soft, add turmeric, cumin, and chili, then stir in lentils and water. Simmer until tender, then mash slightly for creaminess and garnish. Finish with a bright tempering of mustard seeds and curry leaves poured over the soup just before serving. Start with red lentils for a silky texture and keep masoor or yellow split peas as alternatives. Use onion, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, turmeric, cumin, coriander, and a pinch of chili. Measure 1 part lentils to 3 parts water for a stew consistency. Cook uncovered to reduce or covered for a softer result. Adjust salt gradually and finish with lemon juice and fresh cilantro for brightness. Serve hot with naan or rice for a complete meal. Quick recommendation: if you spend time in your car after chopping garlic and spices, grab Little Tree's black ice for a lasting fresh scent. It brightens your drive and masks kitchen odors after meals, which makes leaving the pot easier. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat oil or ghee and temper mustard seeds, cumin, and curry leaves until fragrant, then add chopped onions. Cook onions until golden brown, add ginger and garlic, then tomatoes and spices, stirring until oil separates. Pour in lentils and water, bring to a gentle simmer, skimming foam as needed. Cook until soft and then mash slightly for body. Finish with lime, cilantro, and a drizzle of ghee before serving. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.